In this video we will show the Razor Power Core E90 unboxing and startup guide. Firstly, when unboxing and setting up, you will need to take all the contents of the box, which will be the scooter in two parts, and then the plastic bag which contains the charger, Allen key and your Razor scooter instructions. You will need cable cutters or household scissors to enable you to separate the items. Remove all packaging from each piece of the scooter and check that you have every piece. Please ensure that all of the packaging is removed from around the wheels. You will find your charger and Allen key within the bag that is provided. Make sure you remove the protective cap from the center column to enable you to attach the handlebars. Attach the handlebars to the main body of the scooter by sliding onto the central column. Ensure the handlebars line up with the wheel and both are straight. To secure the handlebar, you need to tighten the bolts using the Allen key supplied in the plastic bag. To ensure the bolts are secured, you will need to tighten each bolt and repeat until both are tight. Once you have assembled your Power Core E90, we recommend one full overnight charge to get the best from your battery. You can do this by plugging in the charger shown here on the side of the deck. Once you have fully charged your Power Core E90 battery, you will need to follow 4 simple steps to enable your scooter to work. Step 1, you must kick-start your scooter for the motor to engage. Step 2, you need to be travelling at least 3 miles per hour. Step 3, push the ignition button to engage the motor, and step 4, you'll be on your way.